Okay, in this age of AI, there are plethora of options for technical writers or any other verticals to explore. Technical writers specifically look at options such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Notebook LM, or Claude, etc. I am focusing this tutorial on Gemini, specifically gems within Gemini. I have some use cases that I would like to try on. The first one being style guide checker. As technical writers, we follow plenty of style guides, could be MSTP, Chicago, and organization specific. So the one that I'm going to show you, you can curate it to your specific organization if you do have a style guide. For example, we'll be using Microsoft Style Guide. Now, I'm just in the basic Gemini browsing page, the first one where it gives you a chat. You can start chatting, ask it questions. Of course, you can just pull up some text, paste it here, and ask Gemini to ask it to check the following content. Against MSTP style guide. This is one way to go. I agree. As simple as that. Once we look at this, I will talk about the benefits of having a custom gem. Now, all I'm asking you to is verify this content against the MSTP style guide. Let's see what's the response. And which model are we selecting? You always have multiple models in these AIs. We can't use A plus, pro, thinking fast. Let's go with fast. Okay. It has given the entire analysis. What are the corrections to make? I don't see suggested content. Is there? Okay. It has recommended revisions. This you always can do. Open up a chat, ask your prompt, give the content, and it'll do it. Where does gems come in here? My objective is to create a custom gem where I don't have to write the prompt, number one, and it has specific guidelines, structured guidelines within Gemini to focus on and respond to my content. This you can always do by prompting. I want to eliminate prompting. My prompt should always just be limited to the content that I want to verify. Please remember, this is not a limitation to grammar and spell check. You can do that using Grammarly and other extensions. This is specific to style guide checking. So let's get started. Let's look at what gems are. Gemini does have its own inbuilt gems, like these: recipe genie, marketing, etc. You can create your custom gem by clicking on new. Right. This is the gem wizard form, the details that you need to fill up to create your gem. This is where the magic happens. Let's give it a name. MSTP editorial assistant. This is, oops. Name and description are just for user visibility purpose. Is not taken as any kind of prompt. This is the most important part. This is where you instruct Gemini to follow specific rules and regulations that you want it to understand and curate the responses based on that. This is one-time action. Once you create gem, you can reuse it a number of times, share it with your colleagues. Before I paste the instructions over here, I would like to show it. I have it in a Google Doc because if I paste it, it's hard to read. These are my instructions. I have defined a role that you are a technical editor. This is your user profile. I will paste all of this in the description. You can look at it. I'll just go through it briefly. You explain the role, what's the core task, what are the resources the gem should refer to follow these instructions, and what are the most important, what are my output requirements. For each text snippet that I provide, I need all of this. I need an overall feedback. I need the spelling edits, I need grammar edits, I need clarity, concise, and anything that is out of style guide adherence. These are my instructions, and this is my interaction flow. Once an interaction flow is initiated, always confirm that you understand your role. And once you have the style guide, which I'm going to provide it, prompt the user to provide text snippets. So all you are going to do is not even prompt, you are just going to give the prompt itself and then leave it up to Gemini to provide all of this information. So let me copy this. Don't worry about formatting within instructions. This would look very unstructured, but it works. There is no inbuilt editor that you can format the text over here, and it's not important. Let's look at the end of instructions. I have given two options, and both of these are optional, or if you do one, the other is optional. That's the better way of saying it. You can either copy paste the entire Microsoft writing style guide or your organization style guide and paste it, because I've given instruction following is the Microsoft style guide. Copy and paste it, and I can either paste it here or I can use the knowledge field and upload. This is the knowledge field. Knowledge field allows you to add any resources that Gem can use to improve its response. So I can do either of those, or I can also give it the link to Microsoft style guide. I'm gonna copy paste this, change my instructions slightly. Here is the Microsoft writing style guide link and paste my link over here. Additionally, I can attach MSTP style guide document here. I already have it downloaded, so let me use that. I am attaching MSTP version 3. I will give you the link to download the PDF. Again, remember, this is not limited to MSTP, can do for your organization or any style guide. This is just a use case. Default tool. Let's not assign it any default tool. These are, no, deep research is something completely different. Images, canvas, leave it as it is. Now, once you have given your instructions, your knowledge field is done. The wizard over here allows you to test this. Test it before you actually save and create the gem. So let's get some sample content. Let's provide multiple instructions and okay, response is ready based on blah blah blah. Overall feedback, it has started its feedback. Says no spelling errors, grammar edits. Okay, it has identified few grammar edits, some verb agreement issues, clarity, concise improvements, style guide, adherence specifically to MSTP. But the most important section over here that I want is this suggested content. Now this content needs to be on par with the style guide that you have uploaded. In this case, MSTP. Secondary, Chicago. I have also written Chicago manual of style within the instructions. So this is what I'm looking for. But yes, to get an analysis, you have all this information. You can always curate your instructions to tone this down. I don't need analysis. I don't need nitpicking. Just give me the suggested content. This can also be achieved. Now, once you are happy with this testing, understand that this was just a preview. We are just previewing the gem that we are creating right now. So you can make a number of changes before you, and a number of changes along with testing over here before you actually save and create the gem. I'm happy with what it is giving me right now. It's giving me suggested content that looks like MSTP there. So with that assumption, let's save this. Our gem has been created. So I can either share it with my colleagues or I can start a chat. Now Gemini lists your created gem right here. And any chats that you initiate are automatically brought in within the chat section. So quickly, one more content. Let's use a paragraph this time. So I don't prompt anything. I don't ask it to do anything. Your gem is right here. Mm, just double click on it. It will start a chat. Paste the content. This is what I wanted to avoid. No instruction, no initial prompting, just to the point of work. You have some content, it could be a snippet like this, or it could be a huge document. Just copy paste and done. So we have the response now. Uh, Same things, overall feedback, spellings, grammar edits, clarity, concise, what exactly within the content was not in adherence with style guide, structural instructions. These are set structures mostly, and opportunities for further improvement. And my favorite part, suggested content. This is what I'm looking for. I go to analysis only when I have disagreements within the suggested content. But it could be dynamic. Each of us as editors, writers have different needs to look at the analysis of a content. Like I said before, if you want to limit it to just suggested content, just curate your instructions and you're done. So fundamentally, the primary objective that I wanted here was have a dedicated assistant where I can just go open a chat and just paste my content. No prompting. I can reuse the same one or even the same chat that I have. It knows what to do now, so I can keep on adding the content over here. And within the gem, you are always free to change the models. Fast is something that we saw right now. Thinking is to solve complex problems. It's mostly when there is a lot of uh, data analysis and statistics involved. For style data, I don't want this to be my main model. Advanced math and code, you have pro. So fast works fine. It has been working fine for me. So that's it. This is what I wanted to achieve. Have an editorial assistant that I can just keep pasting my snippets if I am unsure about its adherence to style guide. Please understand that this is not a grammar checker alone. It is style guide with capabilities, obviously, to check your grammar and spell edits too. And what else can we do about a gem? You can just share it. You can edit it. If you feel there is something missing, you can always go to edit. That's it. Basic management, and you are done. Just keep adding the Gmails of your colleagues or your chat space that you want to be copied to, and they can replicate the gems operation. Hope this helped. I do have some ideas for more use cases such as UX writer. I want a gem that can give me UX writing snippets once I upload a screenshot. This is mostly aligned towards UX writers and UX designers. A gem that can respond to screenshots. I don't need to write content. I don't need to write prompt. I don't need to copy paste something. Yes, I would just copy paste. I would just be copy pasting a screenshot on which I need some UX concepts to be done. So if you like this kind of AI use cases, stick with me. I have at least 3 to 4 gems that I want to create. So good luck and thank you.